So this is my entire Victoria's Secret sweat set collection. I'm literally shaking holding it. Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. My name is Randy, and today I want to be trying on Victoria's Secret sweat sets. I'm personally a huge lounger and I wear sweatpants sets almost every day. I'm also going to talk about sizing and what sizes I order and why. And you'll see some different sizes in here so you can kind of get the idea of what you're looking for. So if you're looking to get some Victoria's Secret sweat sets, these are my favorite ones and my favorite combos. But I'm saving my favorite top two for last. So make sure you stay until the end of the video. Okay, let's jump into it. So the first sweat set I have on, the top is a size medium and the bottoms are small. This was part of my first bulk Victoria's Secret sweatpant order, and I really thought I needed smaller sizes than I actually needed. Because I personally like being really comfortable in my sweat sets, and the medium sweatshirt was big at first until it went through the dryer. And now this is the fit. I've worn this so many times and I've dried it so many times, so it has shrunk a lot. I even wore this to the hair salon and my hairstylist accidentally bleached it. But I'm okay with it because I typically don't grab this one anymore because it is the smaller size and I just prefer to feel a lot more baggy in the top area when I'm wearing sweats. And I personally like pairing this green sweatshirt with some pink bottoms. I don't always like to perfectly match my sweat sets. I kind of think doing color combos is fun, so you'll see a lot of color combos in here. But personally, I like the sweatpants that have the tighter ankles instead of more of the, like a boot cut. But these fit so nice. These are a size small. However, I have started ordering a size medium. So my new order size is size medium in pants and size large in the sweatshirt. And that way, when I wash and dry it so many times, it won't fit so tight because I feel like sweatpants are supposed to be really loose and cozy. So this is sweat set number 1. So this next set I got for around Christmas time, and the green is just so Christmassy to me. This is the only set I'm trying on today that has a shirt instead of a sweatshirt on top. So this is like a long sleeve t-shirt. I wanted to mix it up in the winter to have like a cozy long sleeve t-shirt to wear at night. And the sweatpants are a size medium. This is also a size medium. I figured I didn't need to go as big since it was just a little t-shirt. But as you can see, these sweatpants fit just a little bit bigger and a little bit more comfortable. They're not so tight. I love this set for winter. This next set, we're doing a dark pink and a light pink color combo. This sweatshirt is also a size small, so it's the same size as that green one. These sweatpants are also a size small, but I feel like they fit a little bigger because they are the more bell-bottom type style or straight cut. They don't get tight at the bottom, basically. So these are super cozy, but I'll also pair this pink sweatshirt with like some green sweatpants or something because I like that color combo too. Green and pink always look really good. The green sweatpants were actually next, so here they are with the pink sweatshirt, if you're wondering. These are the tight ankle style sweatpants, also a size small, so these fit a bit smaller, but I love this color combo too. Now this sweatshirt is really special. It is a hoodie, which is why it's not my favorite to wear. I really have something against hoodies. They just kind of feel like they're choking me a little bit. It makes me a little claustrophobic. Does anyone else have that? I'm a sweatshirt person, like a pullover, not the hoodie type. But it's all they had left for the sparkly Victoria's Secret fashion show edition, and I really wanted one that had the sparkly Victoria's Secret on it, and I got this in a size large, and it's really large. Like, this one is the only one that hasn't really shrunk at all. Even when you see some other sweatshirts that I got in a size large, they've shrunk significantly, I feel like, versus this one did not. I don't know why, but I had paired this hoodie with these green pants originally for this video. I just think this is the most stunning sweatshirt. It's just so pretty. Like, if you're gonna have a Victoria's Secret sweatshirt collection, this needs to be in it. This is another one of my smaller sets. This is in a size medium and the pants are in a size small. So it does fit a bit more tight, but I love it. It says dump him. I think that's so sassy and funny. And I like pairing the green with the light blue. I just think that's a cute color combo. If I had dark pink sweatpants, I feel like that would look really good, but I don't have dark pink sweatpants. I mean, the light pink would look cute too, but I just prefer the blue. But these obviously fit a lot tighter, and they are the ones with the tight ankles. So this is actually one of my favorite sets. This is going to be the second to last set that I show you. This is one of my favorites because I feel like it's the easiest to style going out as well, like pairing the top with some jeans. I don't typically get the zippers, even though I feel like they do look more attractive on, but when I'm lounging, it just feels kind of cold on your skin and like isn't that comfortable. But I just felt like with this set particularly, since it's a nice neutral tone and a chic look to it, I feel like for a sweat set, that I wanted something that I could easily wear out as well, like comfortably. And luckily I did order this in a larger size. So this one is a size large and the pants are size medium. So as you can see, the pants fit nice and loose, very comfortable. I love this set. And it just fits so nice. So this is the last set and it's my absolute favorite. It's also my newest set, so obviously it's my favorite. They came out with it for spring and summer. Pastel yellow and light pink are two of my favorite colors. And together I feel like they always give a strawberry lemonade type of look, which I love. So this is just so cute. I also got this sweatshirt from my mom and she absolutely loves it. It's like her favorite sweatshirt. So this is a size large and the pants are a size medium. So they fit nice and comfortably. And I just feel like this set is so cute. Like it fits so nice and it just looks so put together. It's definitely very springy and preppy. So this one is probably the one I'm going to be wearing most of the summer. I am trying to get out of my comfort zone and wear more cute pajama sets that are like tank tops and shorts. And I just never thought it was practical to wear those things around the house when it's that cold, because none of us are really walking around a hot house where it feels good to be wearing a tank top and shorts. I don't know, maybe some of you are, but my fiance likes it cold. But I found a life hack. If you want to wear the skimpier sets, obviously not sweat sets from this video, but wear a robe. So wear your cute set and then wear a nice house robe over it. So you're still wearing the cute set and you get to wear a cute cozy robe too. And I just feel like that way, if you get hot or you want to get under the covers, you can take the robe off and still enjoy your little tank top and short set, or you can stay cozy in your cute robe. Which, let me know if you want to see my robe collection. I'm actually really proud of my robe collection. I love it. So if you want to see a robe try-on haul, let me know in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching my Victoria's Secret sweat set try-on haul. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you haven't already found me on Instagram, go ahead and find me on there. And with that, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.